Hello everyone, this is update 2 on Tropical Storm Nicole. It is now a tropical storm because it now has a full wind field and it's going all around, so it's considered tropical now actually. Okay, let's go look at that. We're gonna look at the track models. Okay. So just let it update this. Okay. Here are the track models of what's expected to happen in the next 5 days. Remember, it looks like it's expected to go down here, hit the Bahamas. Actually, it won't hit the Bahamas. It'll go right above the Bahamas, then hit right where Melbourne is, which is north of Port St. Lucie and Vero Beach. And then it will go, straight into Georgia. But before I can do anything much, it will go straight into South Carolina. There are places like Columbia and Florence. And then it'll also go through Charlotte, North Carolina, Durham, and Greensboro. And then as it keeps going, it'll go into Richmond and Delaware, New Jersey, go straight to New York City, and into Providence, Portland, and Bangor. But it won't go that far in the next 5 days. It'll probably go Connecticut in the next 5 days. Now, some things, just so you need to know, it will not go into the Sargasso Sea in the next 5 days like this track does, so it won't go how this green track shows. Definitely not. And neither will it really go out into Kentucky. Or it will not go out here in the next 5 days, or anywhere up in Canada in the next 5 days. Remember that also. Probably, it might go into the Gulf, but it's very unlikely. So, yeah. Not many people think Category 1 anymore, though. Well, that's what the forecast models are saying for right here. So, let's go look at Zoom Earth. Okay, well, this is Tropical Storm Nicole. And it has 50 miles per hour winds, expected to reach 75 miles per hour, but that is also very unlikely. And as you can see, like we are looking at those forecast tracks, the cone is massive. And also I said we'll probably go to Connecticut in the next 5 days, which is what this also says. And by the time it gets to Connecticut, in New York City, it will be about 45 mile per hour winds. Okay, well, let's go look at some of this. Yeah, so let's go look at the satellite imagery. Okay, so on the satellite imagery, we are looking at actually a pretty good looking storm. Just the south side does not really have that much clouds at all, or anything really going down there. It's also moving quite quickly, and has a central pressure of 994 millibars. It has really dropped, and yeah, so it's been really dropping the pressure. It does not have an eye yet, and that piece of cloud that I was looking at is going to split. It has not split yet, but there is still that difference in wind speed over there. Okay, now let's go look at what we're looking at for Florida. Okay, well, this is what the winds are looking like for Florida and Georgia and all that area that's in there. Okay, now let's go look at those GFS forecasts. Okay, well, this is what the GFS says about Nicole. So it will start strengthening actually quite fast. At this point, once it reaches the Bahamas, it will have winds of 70 miles per hour. Then at peak strength, 70 miles per hour, so strong tropical storm. It will reach into the Gulf, and then it will go straight back up through that little dip in there and start weakening quite fast. But then it'll start strengthening again as an extratropical system to hurricane force winds, and then it'll disappear. And it'll be gone by November 15th. So yeah, that's when it will be gone. Now let's look at the I need to get to here. Okay, now let's look at the total accumulated precipitation. This is what we're looking at from Nicole. Okay, so from Nicole out to sea, we are looking at 6 inches of rain. Actually out to sea, we are looking at 7 inches of rain. And then in the Bahamas, 5.5 inches. In Florida, we're looking at 5 inches. Except the storm surge might rise up by a foot. So that would be another thing to look out for. In Maine, we actually might have 5 inches of rain, which is a little bit more than the rest of the area around it. And that's all we are actually... Wait, no. Actually, we're going to look at the storm surge to get it exact. Well, I wasn't able to actually find any wave heights because I did find one, but I didn't know the unit of the wave height. But it looked like that there would be about a medium amount of wave height, so it might be quite a bit. Well, that's all we have for today's update on Nicole.